Next, we have a three-way intersection. A white car wants to turn left. A purple car wants to go straight. A red car also wants to go straight. And a blue car wants to turn right. The white car must wait for the others to pass first. Only after ensuring the road is clear can it proceed safely. Now, let's talk about pedestrian crossings. On a two-lane road with a pedestrian crossing, drivers must stop and allow pedestrians to cross completely. If more pedestrians are approaching, you must continue waiting until everyone has crossed safely. Only then can you proceed. Finally, we have parked vehicles trying to re-enter the road. Each driver must check carefully for oncoming traffic before moving. If the road is clear, they can enter. The red car must also check before entering. However, the blue car must not enter if it is not safe to do so. Following these rules will help you avoid accidents and become a safer, more responsible driver.